Na, na, Neela. Na,
No.
Neela. Neela.
Nila. Guys, my channel, Walking to Sunday, and watch my channel. We're going to learn about another color today. It's blue.
ब्लू को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं अहमद? What do we call blue in Urdu? नीला.
Nila.
Neela.
Nila.
Neela.
Nila.
Like you say with N. Neela. Neela.
Nila.
Neela.
Nila.
Okay. चढ़े हुए हैं अहमद. क्या कर रहे हो अहमद?
I doing Fortnite.
Okay, what are we learning today?
We learned the alphabet.
Alphabet नहीं, colors.
Goodness.
What are we learning today?
I doing Fortnite.
Okay, what are we learning today? What are we learning today? What are we learning today? Colors. Okay, which color is this, Emma?
Blue.
Okay, and blue is called in Urdu?
Nila.
Na, Neela. Na,
No.
Neela. Neela.
Nila.
Neela.
Nila.
Me say, not me. Neela. 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 N with N. Neela. Neela.
Nila.
Okay.
Give me another you.
Tomorrow.
Bye. Wow. Don't worry. Bye.
Emma, who is this? Who are these two?
Papa.
Emma, who are these two?
Papa and me.
You and your papa. Okay, this taller one is your papa. Let me help you sharpen it. Oh, who is this? Oh, Emma. What are you doing here? You are going to wear it backward?
You're going to say who is.
Okay. Who is this? Oh my God, this is Ahmed. Oh, who is this? Who is this? Wow, Ahmed. Good.